Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to model a simple side table. For modeling a side table, firstly, we are going to change the units. I will set the unit to decimal and millimeters. I will set the precision to 0.0 mm and close. Take a rectangle of 550 by 350. Push pull it to 350. Select the front face and delete. Again, give the thickness to all sides. Push pull it to 18 mm. And the skirting to 75 mm and back to 12 mm. Select the frame of the side table and make group. I will draw a line over here. I just want whole skirting inside. So I will select this line and delete. I will push pull the skirting inside 18 mm. I will draw the line over here. I will push pull these faces also inside. Now I will take the rectangle, lock the axis, and draw the rectangle. Select the rectangle and I will make the group. Now double click and I will enter inside the group. I will take offset tool and give offset of 100 mm. I will draw the line. I will just select these two lines and move it inside 75 mm and this also inside 75 mm. I will connect the line, delete the extra line, select the middle line, and I will create the groove of 1 mm up and then select that and give 2 mm. I will select the drawer face, push pull it to 18 mm. That's how we have created a simple bedside table. I will select the side table and clean the extra lines. In the next lesson, we are going to model a simple bedroom.